Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here with another card layout. This time, simple circles, but a cool technique using washi tape. So here's the layout. I did miss off a circle, but I will include that in the free printable download that's on my blog. Here is the washi tape, and this came in a pack with all of those colours, so I didn't have to mix and match and choose, but you could, of course. I've got a selection of dies and a decorative headed pin, some gems, ink, a stamp, the card, which is 6x4 as ever, and then a selection of coloured card. Now, for this technique, basically what you're going to do is stick the washi tape to a blank piece of card, just a thin piece, nothing too substantial. So it could even be from your scrap box. I think this piece was about 6x3. Doesn't really matter. And then just keep sticking strips of the washi tape. Try and be as neat as possible and get the gaps in. If you've got lots of thick tape, feel free to overlay them over each other, because that can also give a nice effect. And just keep going until you've covered the whole piece. Basically, you want a piece just a bit bigger than the die that you're going to use. Now, I do believe this technique also works with the scan and cut machine, so you can run it through your machine and cut the circles out after you have stuck down the washi tape. But for this, I'm just using my dies. Once through, then you've got the large and the small circle, and there would be a third one, but I forgot to cut it. I'll cut it later. And then I'm just going to make a start on cutting all of the elements out that I'm going to use to decorate this. So I'm using scraps of card that I've kind of colour matched to the washi tape to cut out some base flowers, leaves, and then some mini flowers as well. Basically just an assortment so that I can make a little bouquet. If you've been following this series of videos recently, by the way, obviously I've just had a bit of a lengthier break than anticipated, so hello again. I'm just getting back into the swing of things, so I should be doing lots more of these videos before the year finishes. For the large flower, by the way, I used the decorative headed pin, stuck some quick tack glue into the centre and pushed the pin through and let it dry. And I'll come back to that in a minute and show you what I did next. I'm just now cutting out lots more of the floral embellishments that I'll use to decorate the card. If this is the first time you're watching any of these videos, please remember there are now 88 in the series, probably more if you're watching sometime in the future after this one's come out. So do make sure to check out the full playlist, and of course all of the layouts I have created in printable, downloadable formats that you can grab from my blog, gentlemancrafter.com. Okay, so I missed a bit there. Basically, I just chopped off a section of that circle. You can, of course, do this at an angle, so the strips of tape are running diagonally. It's up to you. And then I'm just using foam pads to stick down the larger piece, and then glue to stick down the smaller piece. I'm going to stamp out my sentiment and then leave that to dry while I finish the rest of this. So the two larger flowers, I'm just basically shaping the leaves, and then I will stick them on top of each other. These are going to form a backdrop to the large rose that you saw me stick the pin through. It's not voodoo, it's craft. That's what I'm saying. With the small flowers, I'm just layering up two of the pink to one of the grey. Not easy at this scale when you've got sausage hands, but worth taking the time because they do add to the design. A little bit of shaping for those just by pushing a large ball tool into the centre, and then I will add a couple of flat backed gems. Now, is it flat backed or flat back? No, it's flat back. Try saying that fast. Okay, so they're in, so they'll leave them to dry. Now with that pin, obviously I cut it using some wire cutters, just so that it didn't stick out the back and stab whoever you are sending the card to. I mean, sure, if you want that to happen, leave it in, but I don't recommend it. I think I've been watching too many true crime podcasts. Listening to. Anyway, right. Chopping down the sentiment. I've given a suggested size with the printable download, but make it the size that suits the sentiment and the card. You might not have this exact sentiment, it might be a different one, so if you make it a little bit different, that's fine. As ever, these are only serving suggestions as opposed to recipes. With the smaller circle, the third one that I forgot earlier on, I'm just adding a foam pad and sticking that proud of the main circle. For some reason I decided to empty out pretty much an entire tube of glue gel there. Didn't really need that much, but it helped with arranging the floral embellishments. Leaves are going in, mini flowers underneath, and pretty much Bob is your uncle. Well, if he's not, he can be. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. That's it for this time. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And for more from me in the future, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.